I think understanding what you're looking for, I kind of built this. Hopefully, this sorts it out for you. If you want the full solution, I can send it over because it does require a fair amount of like automation setup and columns and stuff. But here's a quick demo of how this works. So here we have a week. We have 12 allocated hours. Your week start and end dates are set automatically. So this will continue cycling through, and this is based on a 4-week cycle. So what happens is you work 8 hours in that week. You can see you have 4 remaining on the allocated hours, and that week finishes, and this gets changed automatically as well. And then I'm just going to trigger this because the other automation is set on date as well. So I'm going to pretend that we reached that date. That's going to then create a new week. You can see we haven't worked any hours. It's grabbed 4 hours from the previous week, put them to this week. If I did, let's say, 12 hours that week, well, maybe not 12, let's just do 5 hours in that week. You can see I have 11 hours left. The week ends. I think it's going to create a new item for the following week. Now you have your 12 allocated hours plus the 23 plus the 11 from the previous week to give you 23. And let's say you work, 11 hours this week. You still have 12 hours left. That week ends. New item gets created for the following week. So we have this for the 4th week. I got 24 hours remaining for this week. Let's say we have a really productive day and we work 16 hours that week. And we finish that week. And then it's going to set you back to a new week with the new allocated hours. So we're back to 12. You know how many you saved for that month, let's say, or that 4-week period. And you can change this to whatever you want. Let's say you put 25 in here. So you now have 25 allocated hours. You work 19 hours on that week. You can see you only have 6. This is done. Trigger that. Now you have 25 again plus the 6 from the previous week. And so forth and so forth. And because of the dates would carry on, there's also automations for the dates themselves. All of this is automated, so it just kind of keeps rolling. So hopefully that gives you kind of some insights how this can be done. If you are interested, I can probably punt the project over to you, or you can reach out and we can set up a call or something like that and we can figure this out. Hopefully that makes sense. Thanks for watching, and we'll be in touch. Cool. Cheers.